Hi everyone, today I want to talk about an amazing AI tool that can help you create a website in minutes. It's called Mixo.io, and it's a game changer for anyone who needs a website quickly and easily. With Mixo.io, you don't need any technical skills or design knowledge. All you need to do is answer a few questions about your business, choose a template you like, and Mixo.io takes care of the rest. It's an AI-powered website builder that uses advanced algorithms to create professional-looking websites in no time. One of the things I really like about Mixo.io is that it's incredibly easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, and the whole process is very streamlined. You don't have to worry about coding or configuring anything. Mixo.io does it all for you. And because it's an AI tool, it's able to optimize your website for speed, performance, and SEO. Another great thing about Mixo.io is that it's very flexible. You can customize your website as much or as little as you like. If you're in a hurry, you can use one of the pre-built templates and just add your own content. If you want to get more creative, you can modify the design, add new pages, and even integrate your own tools and services. Now, if you found this video helpful, I'd like to ask you to do a few things. First, please hit the like button below and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Second, please share this video with your friends who might also benefit from Mixo.io. And finally, please consider subscribing to our channel and following our Instagram page for more videos like this. And of course, if you need a website and you want it fast, easy, and affordable, I highly recommend giving Mixo.io a try. It's an AI tool that can help you create a professional-looking website in just minutes, with no technical skills required. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.